Spy Ninjas, I am here at the park where I think my best friend and I used to meet up when we were kids. I hope by going here, I can recall back some of my old memories, why I was at the GKC Gifted Kids Center, and who my best friend is. Yeah, and apparently this best friend I have has a crush on me. Chad seems kind of a little jealous, but I'm not gonna worry about that because I really want to know who this person is so they can tell me more about my past. Maybe they'll remember a lot of things from the GKC because I have no idea what happened. It's like it's been wiped from my memory. You guys, look how little this is. Wait, look at this. This says, to my Juliet with the beautiful eyes, follow the clues to your surprise, your secret Romeo. Well, thanks for saying my eyes are pretty. I hope the surprise is about my childhood, why I went to the GKC. We gotta look around, you guys, for this surprise here. I'm gonna call Chad to see how he feels about this and what did he find out. Chad!
V, what's up?
Did you find anything about GKC or my past or, you know, my ex-best friend?
I didn't find anything at the park. I interrupted PZ409's date. She got all mad at me and she thought I was asking her out on a date because I was holding a rose. It's a long story, but anyway, I got out of there. I came back to the safe house here and changed out of my clothes. What'd you find?
Well, I only found this one note. This person did call me Juliet and they have a surprise for me in this park somewhere. I'm hoping it's a good surprise, but I'm prepared to battle if it's a bad one.
A secret Romeo? This guy is disgusting. Sounds really sketchy, V. I don't think you should do it. But we do need to learn more about this GKC school.
I hope so, Chad.
I don't think you should meet with this guy by yourself. I'm gonna come help you, okay?
You know, usually on a normal mission, I would say yes, come, but I don't know. You might scare this person away if they are of good heart. What if they just want to reunite with me?
That's true. If he sees me, I would be a big threat to him, you know? I totally understand that.
I'll be fine. You know what? I'm gonna call Regina, because she's a woman. She knows how to deal with things like this. Maybe you should stay out of this mission.
As long as Regina is watching over you, you should be okay. Just be very careful, okay? I do not trust this guy.
All right, bye!
I'm so stressed out. Well, not stressed. I'm just worried. I don't know. I'm everything. This person who's flirting with my wife, V, I just need to do something to get this off my mind. I need to distract myself somehow. I know. I've been watching all these YouTube videos about people playing games and having fun times during quarantine, you know, stay-at-home type fun things. That's what I'm gonna do so I don't think about how somebody's flirting with V.
I'm gonna call Regina right now. And Daniel made this microphone for me here, right here. It's like wireless so you guys can hear me and Regina can hear me. Regina, can you hear me?
Oh yes, V, I hear you, girl. Loud and clear.
Okay, I'm gonna need your help. I found this pink heart. You know, it's just really a compliment saying that I have beautiful eyes and there's a surprise for me somewhere in this park.
Is that all that's on the note?
Oh my gosh, guys, what an amateur move. There's something on the back of the note. It says, roses are red, violets are blue, treasure your heart, inside is a clue.
Ooh, your mystery ex-boyfriend likes riddles. And he's sending you on a super romantic scavenger hunt. I mean, I'm still Team Chad, of course.
A treasure? What is this, like X marked the spot? I have to find a buried treasure? When am I gonna dig it up with my bare hands?
Arg! If it's treasure you're after, I know just the place. That was my pirate impression.
Okay, Pirate Regina.
Maybe you just need to find the pirate's booty.
Wait, what did you say, booty? I don't want to see anybody's booty, okay? The white pasty Chad one is enough.
Argy, matey, I figured it out. Hearts and treasure, what do they have in common, arg?
Bruno Mars!
Not Bruno Mars, silly goose. They're inside chests.
Chests, that's right! Hearts and treasures!
Yes, walk the plank 40 paces, and you'll find what you're searching for.
You don't sound too sure about that. But okay, I'll take a gander.
Bored at home game number 1. Shooting down the red cups for fun. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a no-look shot. Woo! But I'm still missing some cups. Oh, yeah! That's good enough for me. Time to move on to game number 2.
39, 40. You guys, look at this huge treasure chest! Does that mean the surprise is gonna be this big? I can't wait to open this! I don't think it's happening. I don't think it's even openable. Because look at these muscles. Oh, wait. There's more back there. There's one there and another one there. Okay, let's see what those have. Whoa. Look at that. Another pink heart. This has got to be from my ex-best friend. All right, Spy Ninjas, this clue says, crossing this will bring you one step closer to my heart. Bathrooms really identify dusty grandma's earwax? What? That didn't rhyme. Okay, this is really weird. I'm gonna call Regina again here. Hey, Regina, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
I found another clue here. It's in the chest. You were right.
I knew I was right.
But the clue is very weird. It has grandma's, bathrooms, earwax, and Dusty in it.
Dang, this next clue is funky. Grandma's earwax? I think you just need to go to the bathroom and see what you can find.
I mean, I guess I am a brave spy ninja, so I really shouldn't be afraid of a bathroom, right? Even though it's a public bathroom. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, this whole grandma's earwax thing is so weird. Oh my gosh, I just remembered. You guys, we hit 8 million subscribers on the Qwaint channel. That is so amazing. Thank you so much for all you spy ninjas out there who supported me, and Chad, and Daniel, and Regina, and I guess Melvin. But our goal now is to hit 10 million subscribers so I can get the diamond play button too. You know, Chad did get his, so make sure you become a spy ninja right now by turning your phone this way. Make that subscribe button gray if it's red, and if that button is gray, that means you are a true spy ninja. So let's do a congratulations kick bump right now because we are now at 8 million subscribers! Okay, guys. Here's the public bathroom. Now, you should never ever record when you're in a public bathroom. So I'm gonna go in. I'll leave you guys out here. I'll be back.
Next game is the trick shot. I've seen this all over TikTok. I think this was perfected by Dude Perfect, but you guys have not seen Chad Perfect. Here we go. Here we go. Booyah! Oh, first try.
Oh my gosh. That was so disgusting. I deserve a medal for that. Maybe I don't deserve a medal. You know who deserves a medal? Daniel. How many bathrooms has he been in? Public bathroom? That 7-Eleven bathroom? Daniel, glad you're on the team. Calling Regina.
What's up, Fee? Did you find anything in the bathroom?
No. Oh my gosh, it was so disgusting. That was not a good idea to send me there. I mean, that's a job for Daniel.
Oh yeah, Dirty Dan.
Let's think about this. What about, like, each of these letters have a hidden meaning or something? Maybe it stands for something else?
From Dusty Grandma? LOL.
Wait a minute, what did you just say? LOL? That's it! That's an acronym! LOL! Laughing out loud!
OMG? It seems like you're onto something. If we take the first letter of every word, it spells something out.
Bathroom really identifies Dusty Grandma's earwax. It spells bridge! Is there a bridge around here? Let's look for the bridge! Alright guys, we're looking for a bridge now. What bridge do we know about? I know about the London Bridge, but we're in Las Vegas right now. If any of you spy ninjas actually know about a famous bridge that's here in Las Vegas or anywhere in Nevada, let me know in the comments below. Wait a minute. Do you guys see what's going on here? There's a bunch of rocks. What am I standing on right now? Am I standing on a bridge right now? Is this what Las Vegas consider a bridge? Look at it. It's a little tiny one. Looks like I have to crawl in here wearing white pants. Feels like I should never wear white jeans because I'm always crawling under dirty places, small tunnels. This is how much room I have here. This thing is super tiny. But here it is. Oh no, it's a broken heart now. It says, we played this game with X's and O's. The goal is getting 3 in a row. I can't think when I'm all scrunched up like this. Oh. Why can't my crush just leave me a note like, meet me at the park at 2 p.m. today by the bench? Why is it gotta be clues like this? This is bizarre, guys. So this is talking about games. So we must have played some of these games when we were a little kid together at the GKC school. So you guys are playing like Roblox, Minecraft, Animal Crossings and stuff. But when I was little, we didn't have any of those games. We played simpler games, you know, like hopscotch. You gotta use your feet like this. I played double dutch, you know, jumping rope. That was really cool. I was pretty good at it. We played Foursquare. But this clue here, what a game that needs to win by getting 3 in a row? Wait a minute. That's so obvious. Why didn't I think of that? I know exactly where to go. Oh my gosh, you guys. So simple. I used to hang out here all the time. Right here. This is something that I actually do remember from my past. Playing the tic-tac-toe game. Oh, you guys, it was so much fun. Now that we're here, we gotta win 3 in a row. I'm gonna need your help right now. Okay, to make 3 in a row, I can do this. Nothing happened. I do this. The last one. But let's see here. Here's another heart. Oh, great. Another riddle. The end of this, I hope, will be the start. Climb to the top to find the next heart. I don't like these clues, man. I mean, the end of what? The end of our friendship? I mean, did we break up because he's my ex-BF? Is he talking about the end of our relationship when we were younger? I hope it will be the start. Does he want to restart and rekindle our romance when we were a child? That can't happen! I'm a married woman! Why are you going after me? That's just rude.
Well, since V's out meeting some strange guy, I'm gonna write a little song for her to show her that I care. V, oh V, where could you be? Why you going out with some strange dude I don't know? I don't think it's cool for you to do that. It makes me mad when you go and meet dudes who I don't know, and then it could be hackers. I get so mad.
Climb to the top to find the next heart. What do I have to do? Climb a mountain? I mean, I've rock climbed before, but mountain climbing is a whole nother level, okay? What else do I need to climb around here? Could it be the playground? No way, I can't go on top of that. There's a caution tape. There's a ton of trees here. Do I have to climb some of these trees? Oh gosh, there's so many here in the park. The park is filled with trees. What about that wall though? Wait, is that a heart? So there is another clue. It's up here. Usually, I don't really see clues up high because Chad's always with me. This time, Chad's not here with me. So I gotta climb that thing by myself. I'll set you guys down here. I'm gonna get this clue here. I don't have any climbing gear with me. This is pretty much bouldering at this point.
Wait a minute.
Oh my gosh, yes! There's a hacker! What the heck? What is he doing here? Is he following me? Is he after me? Oh, gosh, I'm gonna find a place to hide right now. Underneath this table. Okay guys, it looks like I'm safe right now. But what the heck was that? Was this whole entire thing a trap? Or is the hacker my ex-BFF? What is going on? If there's anything that has to do with Project Zorgo or hackers, I don't want none of that. But this is the clue that I found. It says, beautiful V, short and sweet. It is for you that my heart beats. Follow the squiggly line to the surprise I wanted you to find. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I should even be following these clues anymore. What if I follow these clues and down this line, there's hackers around me? Should I do this? Oh my gosh, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you think I should follow the squiggly line. I think I'm gonna call Daniel for this clue. Daniel, can you hear me?
Oh, hey V. What's going on, girl?
I just found this clue that I thought my BFF or my ex-BFF left me, but there was a hacker there. So now, this next clue is leading me to some, like, squiggly line?
Squiggly lines?
I'm gonna need your handy-dandy drone help for this mission, okay? If you can fly it over to where I am, I'll send you the coordinates right now. Can you be my eye in the sky? And let me know if there's any hackers coming towards my way.
Oh yeah, of course. I can just fly my handy-dandy Daniel drone around, and I can look for hackers. I'll go get my drone right now, and I'll fly it towards you.
Awesome, Daniel. See you in a bit. This whole path is squiggly. The whole entire park is squiggly. Come on! Hello, Clue! Best friend! Ex-best friend, where are you? Daniel! Daniel!
Hey, V! I can see you. I got visual on a Qwaint, but luckily, no sign of any hackers.
Follow me, okay? Daniel, okay, I haven't found anything yet. Can you, like, look around with your handy-dandy Daniel drone to see if there's any clues near a squiggly line or something?
Okay, V, I'm looking at the aerial view here, and I see a bunch of squiggly stuff. It's like pathways and stuff like that. But I mean, they're all over the place. I don't know which one is the right one.
Oh, what is that noise, Daniel? What is that?
Chad's singing again. Hang on.
I get so mad. Daniel, what's wrong, dude?
Jeez, man! Chad, I'm on the phone. Can you keep it down? Gosh!
Chad? Singing? Ugh, that is not his talent. He can swing some nunchucks around, a lot of ninja gadgets around, but singing is not his forte.
I'm writing a love song, Daniel.
That was a love song?
Yeah.
That did not sound like a love song.
Well, I get angry sometimes.
It sounded like heavy metal or something.
Heavy metal? You don't know heavy metal. Never mind, I'm not even gonna show you heavy metal.
Oh, thank goodness that noise is over. How can you think properly with that around Daniel?
Yeah, it's terrible. But I think I found a clue near a squiggly line.
Really? Okay, send me the coordinates of the location, okay? Got it. Oh man, a mile away. Oh, okay, all right, I'll be there. See you there, Daniel. All right, guys, I've been following Daniel's coordinates. Whew, I gotta work out some more, training my cardio. Okay, looks like I'm almost here. Whoa, look over there. Oh my gosh, that's gotta be it. OMG. This looks like a picnic area. It's gotta be for me, right? There's a laptop and a note and some roses and candy. Oh, roses. But who cares? There's candy around. I'm liking this. I am liking this. Listen, I was gonna eat this, but I don't know who this is from. This could be from some weirdo. Guys, do not eat candy from strangers or randomly laying around. It could be a trap.
Daniel!
What is it now, Chad? What?
You were talking to V, right?
Before I was, yes.
Where is she? She's not answering my phone call. I think she's in trouble. Hold this, Daniel. I gotta go find her right now. I think she's in trouble. Who knows? This guy is probably writing her a love song right now. Who knows? Okay, see you later, Daniel.
I don't think I have anything to worry about, Chad. Just stay here. Keep playing guitar, okay?
Start playing the G. There you go. See you later, Daniel.
Okay guys, this laptop here, it says hit return. I really should hit return because maybe whatever's in this laptop will tell me about my past, about GKC, or maybe my ex-best friend is in here ready to do a Skype call or something or a FaceTime call. 3, 2, 1.
My sweet V, I found out that you were looking for me.
I've been looking for you.
Oh my gosh, they've been looking for me?
I'm sorry we can't meet in person, but if Project Zorgo knew I was talking to you, I would be in big trouble.
Wait, does this mean this person's a hacker? Or at least they know of Project Zorgo.
You were my best friend at the Gifted Kids Center. I always had a crush on you, but was too afraid to tell you.
So that means we didn't date. So this is not my ex-BF. This is just my BFF.
There is so much that I want to say. I know this is sudden, but will you be my date for the virtual prom?
What? Are you serious? This whole entire time, I've been running around like crazy. I've ran a mile here and all around this park. They want me to go to this prom with a hacker? Are they crazy? Wait a minute. So this actually confirms that my ex-BFF is a hacker? And this person wants me to go to prom with them and not just any regular prom, a hacker prom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do, you guys. This invitation here says that I need to click yes or no. Should I do it? Should I not? What is going on? I do want to find out who this person is because then I can find out more about my childhood and GKC and hopefully something about Chad's childhood too. Oh my gosh, should I click yes or no? What should I do, you guys? Yes or no? I know exactly what I'm gonna do.